Arunachal East MP Tapir Gao has once again raised concerns over the mega dam that China is building over the Sangpo River in Tibet. Well, Gao, who was attended a seminar in Guwahati today, said that China has begun work on a mega dam over the Sangpo River, which is more than 9 kilometers in length. Gao said that such a dam has the capacity to destroy the ecosystem, not just of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, but of the entire northeast as well. The Lok Sabha MP further said that the absence of a proper water treaty between India and China continues to be an impediment here.
The China has already taken the decision to construct 9,500 height dam. That means 9.5 kilometers height dam in the Great Bend of Yarlung Sangpo in their 14 5-year financial year. They have decided, and Jinping has already landed in Ningxing, in the China very big town there, Ningxing, and they have already verified and they have started constructing the dams. Not only that, they are planning to divert the water to their Yellow River. Now the impact of this dam will be measured not only Arunachal, not only Assam. The entire northeast will have impact on it, because if the water is diverted, then the Brahmaputra will be dry up. A minimum water content will be in the river, then the environment will have very big impact on it, on ecological imbalance, plus all fish species will be damaged, the humankind will have a big impact on it. So we have an opportunity to take up this issue in international forum and a diplomatic forum. We need to take up this issue in all aspects. The major issue is the China and India don't have any kind of water treaty.
Tapir Gao further said that China can use the dam against India. He said that judging from China's past actions, there is a danger of China using the dam as a water bomb against India.
See, in 17 Lok Sabha, I made a statement in Parliament also. We should not consider it as a dam only to generate water power generations. It is a water bomb. You can predict the policy of China. In the year 2000, they released huge volume of water and heavy devastations of Siang River took place. Right from Tuting to Pasigat, there were more than 10 hanging bridges, RCC bridge and steel bridge. Each and every one has been washed out, human lost and animal lost, land has been lost. So any time, any moment, China can take a decisions to use that water as a water bomb to it.
The Arunachal East MP said that India should take up the matter diplomatically at international platforms. He stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the centre should take up the matter on global platforms, or else the consequences can be dire for India.
Our Honourable Prime Minister has already taken up it in diplomatical way also, and India and China, they are engaging each other on this, on international border issue, on this water treaty issue. So we wish and we hope that under Modi's leadership, diplomatical success should be there. And if not, we are going to face the devastations in future.
Tapir Gao further advocated for India building mega dams in Arunachal Pradesh to counter China's mega dam over the Sangpo. Expressing support for the 12,000 megawatt hydropower project, Gao said that government should engage in talks with the people.
There is one option the government of India has taken a step to contain the water volume released by the Chinese government in Pusar. We need to have a big dam in River Siang that can contain any kind of devastations in Pusar. Now public negotiations are taking place. If the public agreed, then if we have that kind of dam, then we can control the maximum damage for the downstreams. If it is not there, then the huge devastations will be taken place. Not only Assam and Arunachal, it will have an impact in Bangladesh also.